G'day everyone, Ryan from Oz Sawdust Makers here, again with another easy peasy Kreg project that you will knock out in a couple of hours. You'll know that I do say at the start of nearly all of my Kreg videos that it's very easy and doesn't take long. Well, this one takes the cake because it's a few cuts, it's 8 pocket holes and 8 screws, and that is it. Another awesome thing about this project is not only will it be super handy around the home, but I actually made this from the offcuts of the dog bed that I showed you last week. So let's go. That single piece was all I needed to make this stool, which was left over from that dog bed. Now, every cut requires a 15-degree bevel. So we cut the pieces we require with the 15-degree bevel on the edges. See here roughly how it's all going to come together and how you need those 15 degrees on each end. So what I'm doing now is just marking out where the pocket holes are going to go. So I did say before that there's only 8 pocket holes required for this project, and of course make sure that your pocket hole step bit is set accurately in the jig for the dimension of the timber that you're using. Always hook up the vacuum cleaner into the K5 Master System's dust port, and then we start drilling them pocket holes. Give everything a good sand. If you are new to the Kreg pocket hole system, I highly recommend getting one of these pocket hole screw project kits. Not only does it come with a range of different size screws, but also screws for hardwoods, softwoods, even outdoor projects, and it also comes with a screw length selection chart and a bunch of other information that is really handy when you're in the middle of a project. So I'm lining up all my pieces and then driving those screws in. I'm using the 32mm fine thread pocket hole screws for this, the fine thread being for hardwood, and then driving those in. Simple as that. Okay, so the best way for me right now to test its strength would be to get on it. So, okay, yeah, look, sitting on it's fine, but let's be honest, the real test would be standing, so I've got to make sure I don't bonk my head. And there you go. I weigh 90 kilos, and I think that's pretty good. It's not flexing at all. I mean, my workbench is moving much more than the stool is, so there's no problem at all in the structural integrity of this stool. Keeping in mind it is 8 pocket screws. That's it. So a few coats of Danish oil. The grain in this hardwood really looks spectacular. And there you go. Done. By far the quickest, easiest Kreg project to date. Also the cheapest, considering that these were scraps from the dog bed that we made. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out my other Kreg project videos on the Carbotech YouTube channel, which should be linked below. And I will see you again very soon with more awesome Kreg projects. Cheers.